Perhaps you've never used pivot tables before, but if you're looking for a no experience required, simple way to create a pivot table in 365, Excel 365, look no further. So here I have a simple spreadsheet, no blank rows, no blank columns, and it's got little headers across the top so that I know what the data in each column is representing. All I need to do first of all is I'm going to click on this data, I'm going to choose Format as a Table and choose a layout. Does my data have headers? Yes, it does, because it's each of those column headings, and I'm just going to click OK. So my data is now popped into a nice formatted table. That's pretty good, hey? Now what I want to do is I want to get Excel to do some heavy lifting and help me analyze the data in that table of information. So I'm going to go to the Data tab, and about 3/4 of the way across is a button that says Analyze Data. When I click on it, it brings up a pane on the right hand side. And from this pane, you can see it gives me some insights already. So in this case, it tells me there's 6 outliers in these order amounts. Here's an order summary by dates. I could insert a pivot table from here, a pivot chart, etc. Or I can simply type in here sales for, helps if I spell it correctly, sales for Stephen Jones. And it gives me a little pivot table. If I want to insert the pivot table, all I need to do is click the Insert button and in it pops, creates a pivot table especially for that particular answer. So if I didn't want that, I could simply come back to my original data, and from table design, I could go to Summarise with a pivot table. It gives me a highlight of the data that I have here, which is called Table 1 now. And if I click OK, it gives me options to be able to grab information and drag and drop it. So perhaps I want client information here, and I want order amount down here. Any of these you can simply drag and drop to change the fields. It enables you to easily summarise data in Excel without any complex formulas or functions.